L be a set of lines in a plane, then relation perpendicular. Let I take a new slide to explain you. Now, line L1 is perpendicular to L2. This is line L1. This is line L1. This is line L2. L1 is perpendicular to L2, implies L2 is perpendicular to L1. So it is symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. Now, L1 is perpendicular to L2. L2 is perpendicular to L3. This implies L1 is parallel to L3. Suppose I draw another line, L3. Okay, alright, right, draw here. This is L3. So what we observe, L1 is perpendicular L2, L2 is perpendicular L3. What we observe is L1 is parallel to L3. L1 is parallel to L3. Therefore, perpendicular relation is not reflexive, not transitive. Not transitive, but it is symmetric. Now, L1 is perpendicular to L1? Not possible. Not possible. Therefore, it is not reflexive. It is not reflexive. So, perpendicular property among the straight lines is only symmetric. Perpendicular relation among straight lines is only symmetric relation. Only symmetric relation.